How I Become a Millionaire in My 20s Full Guide. Becoming a millionaire in your 20s might sound impossible, but it is achievable if you follow the right path. Many people believe that you need to come from a rich family or win the lottery to make millions, but that is not true. I started from nothing, made a smart financial decision, and built my wealth a step by a step. In this video, I will share exactly how I became a millionaire in my 20s. You will learn the strategy I used, the mistake I avoided, and the mindset that helped me succeed. Step 1 is developing a wealth mindset. The first step to becoming a millionaire is changing your mindset. You must believe that financial success is possible and be willing to put in the effort. Most people stay broke because they never change the way they think about money. I stopped thinking about money as something I had to work for and started seeing it as something I could make work for me. Instead of focusing on saving every penny, I focused on increasing my income and investing in things that would grow over time. And step second is finding high income skill. If you want to become a millionaire, you need to earn more money. The best way to do this is by developing high income skill. A high income skill is something that can make you $10,000 or more per month. Some of the best high income skills include digital marketing, sales, copywriting, coding, investing, and business development. I personally focused on online businesses, sales, and investing. The best part is that you don't need a degree to learn these skills. These are free and paid resources online that can help you become an expert in a few months. And step third is creating multiple income streams. Relying on just one source of income is risky. The average millionaire has at least three sources of income. I built multiple income streams through through side businesses, investment, and passive income source. At first, I worked a job, but I used my free time to build an online businesses. I started freelancing, selling digital product, and investing my profits. As I earn more, I reinvest my money into other income generating assets like stock, real estate, and online businesses. And step 4 is saving and investing wisely. Making money is just one part of the process. Keeping and growing that money is even more important. Many people make a lot of money but still stay broke because they don't manage it well. I followed a simple rule: save 50% of what I made and invest it. I invested in stocks, index fund, and businesses that generate passive income. This allow my money to grow even when I was not working. The power of compounding is real. The earlier you start investing, the faster your money grows. Even a small investment can turn into millions over time. And step 5 is avoiding lifestyle inflation. One of the biggest mistakes people make when they start earning more is increasing their spending. This is called lifestyle inflation. Instead of buying expensive car and luxury items, I kept my expenses low and reinvest most of my income. I lived like I was still broke even when I was making six, six figures. This allowed me to save and invest more, accelerating my journey to becoming a millionaire. And step 6 is taking calculated risk. To become a millionaire, you have to take some risk, but not all risks are equal. I focused on calculated risk, investing in things that had high potential with limited downside. Starting a business was a risk, but I did my risk and started a small. Investing in a stock was a risk, but I studied the market and made informed decision. The key is to learn as much as possible before making big moves. Step 7 is surrounding myself with successful people. The people you spend time with influence your mindset and success. I made sure to surround myself with people who were also ambitious and wanted financial freedom. I networked with successful entrepreneurs, read books from self made millionaires, and followed mentors who had already achieved what I want. Being in the right environment helped me stay motivated and focused. And step 8 is staying consistent and never give up. Becoming a millionaire does not happen overnight. There were times when I failed, lost money, and felt like giving up. But I stay consistent, learn from my mistake, and kept going. The most successful people are not the ones who never fail, but the ones who never quit. If you stay committed, keep learning, and apply what you learn, financial success is inevitable. Becoming a millionaire in your 20s is possible if you follow the right step. Start by developing a millionaire's mindset. Learn high income skill. Build multiple income streams. Save and invest wisely and avoid unnecessary expenses. If I could do it, so can you. The key is to start today. Let me know in the comment what your financial goals are, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more financial tips.